Find the sum 1 plus a half plus a quarter plus an eighth plus dot 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 1 over 256. So again, the parentheses are there to tell you calculate R. Let's fill in the parts we know. What's our first term? What's our common ratio? What is it? 1/2. So we need to figure out what our ends are. So this number here and this number here. Okay. Plenty of, there's actually, I think, 3 ways you can do it. 1, count them all out. You'll be there for a little while. But think about it this way. This is 2 to the 0. Well, 1 over 2 to the 0. Notice all the numerators would be 1. 1 over 2 to the 0, 1 over 2 to the first, 1 over 2 to the second, 1 over 2 to the third. Well, 2 to what power is 256? No. Yes, 2 to the 8th. So if you're counting from 0 to 8, how many numbers is that? 9. So again, that n minus m plus 1 things. Hello. So please be careful. Since we're starting at 0 and going to 8, you actually have 9 terms. The other way of doing it, just like what we did before with that hint, when we had arithmetic, was using this formula. You would have off to the side 1 over 256 is equal to, our first term is 1 times 1/2 to the n minus 1. Well, unfortunately, you would still have to rewrite this as 1/2 to the 8th. But what type of equation is this? Exponential, where they have the same base. So what would you do to the arguments? 8 is equal to n minus 1, which means n is equal to 9. The third way is using your calculator, trial and error. Start plugging in numbers in for n into this guy here and see which one gives you 1 over 256. The only bad thing is, again, the value for n, no, I said it right, period. But that might just take a little while. So unfortunately, actually I'll take a little while. But please be careful with these. So we're going to find 1 time, so we can ignore this one. So in your calculator, you're going to do 1 minus, using parentheses, 1/2 to the 9th divided by 1 minus a half. Then if you would, please do arrow fractions to convert your answer to a fraction. Oh, I meant to put a half there, not a 9th. Yep. Notice that if you put that in your calculator as a decimal, 511 over 256 is really close to 2. In fact, if that was 512 over 256, it would equal to 2. Well, if this entire thing is close to 2, and if this is a 1 here, that means this portion is really close to 1. So if this already accounts for the 1, then this part must account for the other 1. We're going to learn that if we kept adding these up forever, this sum would equal 1. So we're going to learn how to add infinitely many numbers, not just a finite number of numbers.